Hey guys, welcome to Crypto University. We are your one-stop destination for everything crypto and blockchain related. At Crypto University, we are dedicated to providing you with the most up-to-date information on the cryptocurrency and blockchain space. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, our channel is the perfect place to learn more about the world of digital money. We're here to help you learn the ins and outs of the cryptocurrency world and get you up to speed on all the latest news in the industry. Cryptocurrency is a rapidly growing asset class, and with it comes a lot of potential for profit, but it also comes with a lot of risks. That's why it's important to educate yourself and understand the basics before investing. We'll be covering topics like cryptocurrency trading, the fundamentals of blockchain technology, and the latest news in the industry. Our experts will break down the complex concepts for you, making it easier to understand the ins and outs of the crypto market. We also provide up-to-date news and analysis on the latest cryptocurrency trends and market developments. This includes analysis of the major coins, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as insights into the smaller coins and tokens. This data will help you make informed decisions when investing or trading in the cryptocurrency markets. We're here to support your journey in the crypto world, so join us today to stay ahead of the curve. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out the channel. Have a great day.